In this video, I will show you how we can use Tanium actions to make administrative changes on number of endpoints with speed and skill. Consider a scenario where we want to update the registry key values on set of endpoints that are member of our test group. Before we start the action deployment, let's review the baseline report that was created to track the progress of this deployment. For that, let's navigate to Data, Reports, filter the report name, select the report. Here we can see there are 8 endpoints for which the registry value is set to 0. We are interested in updating this registry value to 1. However, at this point we just want to make change on our test group. So we'll filter this report with our test group. Select the test group. Now we can see there are only 3 endpoints that needs this change at this point. Now to identify these 3 endpoints, let's navigate to Home. We will use Question Builder to ask this question. We will use Registry Value Data Sensor to identify this particular registry that we are interested in. We will have to supply the parameters registry key and the registry value. Now we will filter down results further with our computer group. We will select computer group. Select apply. Ask question. Click on the column Customize columns. Select count. As we can see, these are the 3 machines that we want to update the registry on. Select the checkbox over here. Select deploy action. We will use set registry value package here. We will select 64-bit OS architecture. We will again supply the parameters. We want to set the value to 1. The data type. This will be one-time deployment. We'll select Show Preview to continue. And these are the 3 endpoints which will receive this package and value will be updated on. Select Deploy Action. Select Confirm. Confirm the change. On the screen, we can see the progress of this action deployment in real time. We can select Show Client Status Details to see progress. We can see all 3 endpoints have completed this change. We can go back to Home and ask the same question again. We can see value is now set to 1 for these 3 endpoints. We can go back to data and see our report. Reports. Search for our report. select the report. And as we can see, our test group endpoints, these 3 endpoints, have received the action, and registry value for this endpoints have been set to 1.